Hi everyone, Deb here. This is the hashtag Color and Create with Us You Rock Art, hosted by Rosemary of Rosemary's You Rock Art, and it's Color and Create. They are using this book, but you don't have to use this book. You can color any page. It's an open collaboration for the coloring part, but it's also a two-part open collab, and there is a create part. I don't have a create project for this week again. This is going to be for November 25th, and the page that we are doing or did for this week is a kitty cat. So I'm also going to count this as Martha Makes Art has a hashtag kitty coloring. I'll put the exact hashtag in the title below, and both channels will be linked in my description box. Hers is open, and it's anytime you want to color a kitty at any time in the month, and just use that. I almost didn't do it because I'm not real happy about one thing on this kitty cat, but let me share what I did. Here's my kitty cat. It's sort of like a Zen Doodle kitty cat. I tried to get it sort of close to my kitty cat, who is a tuxedo. But I didn't want it to be all black because it had these things, but I also didn't want it to be uh, too many bright colors and stuff other than the eyes. I used, let me see, what did I use? Arteza colored pencils. I have a set of 48. These are going to be taken out of the tin pretty soon, and these and my Prismacolors are going to be put into a new case together because some of the colors are similar, but also Arteza feels very much to me like Prismacolor, both wax based, and I was ordering some individual Prismacolors, and I checked both sets to see if I had them or not, and if they had similar in Arteza. I didn't get the loose one. So I'm going to put them all together by color family in a pencil case. That's what I'm going to do with those. I know people keep their sets separate, and so far I pretty much have two, but I'm not going to with those. And then I did use these from Hobby Lobby Masters Touch Fine Art Studios glitter ink gel pen set for the darker pink gemmies on the kitty cat and its eyes. I don't know if you're going to be able to see the two colors of green in the eyes. I thought about doing that little white dot with just gel pen too, or glaze pen maybe, but I decided to just leave it. And I did mess up my kitty. You notice this one's a lot more white. I did this one first, and I thought I can't just have it go all white after that, but I should have, because I put black down, and I tried using the blender pencil, which it didn't blend. I have a new blender pencil coming too. I'm not real keen on the Derwent blender. I haven't tried the burnisher much, but that just makes it shiny. I didn't really want it shiny, but the white over top of that made it shiny anyway, and I'm not crazy about that. But looking at it from here, it doesn't look too bad. On this one, I just did a little less black and then white. I actually should have messed it up more to be more like this. That's what I did with these two. So I might go back and shade that a little more gray because it looks like Callie has a dirty paw there. And I tried. I went over it with the blender. I went over it with white several times. I actually erased some of it and then went back over it, and yeah. But it's okay. It's all good. This I just used white on the tail with a little bit of a gray. Okay, so the Arteza set only had two grays. This sort of brown gray is called elephant gray, and this more cool gray, I guess, is called cloudy gray. So I just used those two with the black. I don't remember what these colors are called. The pink, and then there's a darker pink. Pink macaron for one, and the brighter pink was something else. It was like a pinky purple or something. And I thought about, I should have made them all the same pink, but I didn't really want glitter on the ears and stuff. I thought maybe the nose I should have, I don't know. But I still like it. I think He or she is cute. And that's my kitty for this week. Now, Rosemary will announce what it'll be for next week, which picture. They're not going in order in this book. So I don't know what that is yet, and you'll have to come back and see. If you don't watch Rosemary, you'll have to come back and see what the picture will be for December, what, 9th, 9th. No, I'm sorry, December 2nd, because this is November 25th, yeah. So you'll have to come back and see what it'll be for December 2nd, because I don't know yet as of the time I'm recording this video, okay? Take care, have a great day, and let me know what you think of my Zen Doodly kitty cat, despite the paws. It's not too bad, even though the paws are not how I wanted them to be. But anyway, take care, guys. Have a wonderful week ahead. For those in the U.S., happy Thanksgiving, and I will talk to you again very soon. Hugs, love, and peace.